Today marks the 7th annual Bell Let's Talk Day. For those of you who don't know, the purpose of this event is to raise awareness and funds for mental health initiatives. The way this happens is throughout the day, the telecommunications company Bell will donate 5 cents towards mental health initiatives in Canada. They count every call, every text, tweet, Instagram post, Facebook video view, and Snapchat geofilter. Now, the really good news is that you don't even have to be signed up with Bell to help out. All you need to do to show your support is to tweet out Instagram, Snapchat, or make a Facebook post and use the hashtag #BellLet'sTalk. It's that simple for you to help out and make a difference. Mental illness is not something to be taken lightly, and it comes in many different forms such as anxiety, panic disorders, bipolar, depression, eating disorders, schizophrenia, substance abuse, and addiction. Among kids and teenagers, the suicide rate related to depression has drastically increased over the years. Also, 20% of Canadians will personally experience a mental illness in their lifetime, and it affects people of all ages, educational levels, and cultures. So many factors come into play regarding mental illness, such as genetics, biology, personality, and environmental factors. In 2015, thanks to Bell Let's Talk funding, 65 schools comprised of 18,000 students in the Newfoundland and Labrador English School District now have a trained mental health support person on site. And that's just one example of how much a difference you all can make. Another way you can help out is by going to a person with a mental issue and treating them the same as you would anyone else. Be kind, listen, and talk to them. Also, try your best to educate yourself, because that one conversation that's easy for you might just make that person's day. It's amazing what a community who bands together can achieve. Ever since 2011, Bell Let's Talk has supported 344 organizations with $6 million through the community funds. Bell's total donation to mental health programs now stands at $79,919,178. And by 2020, they have estimated they will have raised over $100 million. So let's help them get there. This year, the 2017 fund will provide grants in the range of $5,000 to $25,000 to projects that improve access to mental health care, supports, and services for people in Canada living with mental illness. Just remember, you never know what's going on behind closed doors. Someone could be suffering and you might not even be aware. So make sure you're as kind as you can be. It might make all the difference to someone. And if you yourself are suffering from a mental illness, know you are not alone. There are so many people out there who can relate to what you're going through. It's always a good idea to try and talk to someone you trust, such as a family member or a friend. And it's great to talk to a professional on top of that, as they can give you advice on why you're feeling the way you do and suggestions on how to cope. So again, I urge you to use your voice, go on your social medias, and use the hashtag #BellLet'sTalk and make a difference today.